Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. I'm so glad you joined me today. Today I'm going to unbox my second box of Hobonichi. If you like my video, please subscribe. Please leave it a thumbs up, leave a comment, anything you can do. That would be great. It would really help out my channel. But otherwise, let's get started. These are the items from my first unboxing. And let's see what we have here. I just love this pink box. Well, I love pink. And there's the saying. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Okay, so what we have first is my cousin, not my cousin, but the Hobonichi cousin. This is the A5 size, and I believe this is called Marshmallow. Oh, isn't that a pretty shade? I think they call this grayish, which is a mixture between gray and beige. Ah, that is beautiful. This soft pink is almost a lilac pink. So this is the cousin. And here are my goodies. The other spoon I got came in this color, so that was pretty cool. Here is the cover on cover, and here is the cousin. The little kitty cat pamphlet. If you've been watching these videos, I know you've seen this lots of times, but it's still super, super cute. I have to show it. I have to share it. I'll put that here for now. So here's the 2022 cousin. Oh, so pretty. I really, really, really like this color. This is so beautiful. I'm going to put the spoon on this one as well. And here is my Hobonichi 2022 cousin, size A5 Marshmallow. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time on Sugar Hiccups. Bye-bye.